What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be spraying this thing off, just getting some of this dirt off that I didn't get off from when I went riding this weekend. I took it through a deep water hole and just kind of got most of it off, but I'm just gonna spray it off with the water hose. And then this headlight right here, I broke by riding a wheelie. So I'm gonna be replacing this headlight. I'm gonna be pulling this housing out and cleaning it out, getting all the mud out of it. And that one's still good. So we're gonna do that real quick. Oh, huge spider web, no! Gah! Okay, seems clean enough to me. For right now, at least. Pop the seat back on, just like that. And let's go ahead and pop this headlight out of here so that way we can spray it out. And all you gotta do is unscrew these little things and it'll come out. And they do have springs on them, so just keep that in mind when you're taking these off. There's one, and there's the spring with it. So we'll just set that right there. I believe there's two more, something like that. Oh, there's one there. That's really actually. Well, so let's get this one screwed. Yeah, that's nice and dirty. Okay, just like that. Let's take these off. Spray this off. Okay, and then once you have your headlight out, just spray the inside out and dump it out till it's clean. It really doesn't take much. And then I've got some new LED headlights. Oh, that broke off in there. That's great. How am I gonna get that out? There it goes. Okay. I have some new LED headlights, so it's really not a big deal that it broke. Oh, it is nasty in there. Good enough. Now, if you gave a shit, which I don't, you would actually spend a lot of time and you'd probably remove the glass and really get in there and clean it. But I know these junky ass Canam headlights are just gonna leak again, so not that worried about it. Not that big of a deal to me. So I just spray them out whenever I feel like it, and yeah, look at that. Good to go, good to go. Alrighty, Spray off my hands. Probably need to put the key in it, don't I? So, I believe these are the new set of low beams, which it is, and I only need one. So we'll save this second one for whenever I do another wheelie and rip it out again. Oh, these are high beams. So, I don't have another low beam. Yay! These are high beams. So, no more low beams for me because I'm not buying another set. So we'll hang that there and pray it stays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. All I did was spray off the Outlander and try to put a new light bulb in it. But obviously that didn't work out. So yeah, it's kind of boring. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.